Hello everyone. This is Go Phrasal Verb Part 3, and today's word is go on. The first way to use go on is to encourage someone to continue doing something or continue talking. For example, wow, what a great voice. Go on, you're doing great. Don't stop. Or, okay, go on with your story. I'm listening. Or, sorry for interrupting. Please go on with your presentation. The second meaning of go on is to occur, which means to happen. For example, what's going on here? Which means what's happening here. Or, I heard something strange was happening in this neighborhood. Now, the third meaning of go on is to persist or endure. Endure means to bear the challenges and the difficulties and the problems, all of these things. And to persist means to continue despite all of these challenges, problems, or hardships, whatever. So, for example, even though she was tired, she went on working. So, she went on working even though she was tired. Went is the simple past of go. Now, another example. Despite the challenges and the difficulties, they went on with the project. So they continued with the project despite all the difficulties, all the problems. So they withstand all of these things and they continued with. Now the last meaning of go on is to talk at length, like to talk further, to speak further in order to explain perhaps. For example, he went on about his incredible vacation. Or she went on talking about her favorite book for hours. Or one more example, could you please go on and clarify that point because I didn't get it? So, go on means to continue talking or continue doing something, or also to say that something was happening. This is it for today. I hope it was useful, and as always, follow for more.